All right, so I've been looking for a Votrax SC-01 chip for the longest time. Problem is, you can't find them anywhere. And if you do get one, you're going to spend $450 to $500, and it could die at any moment because these chips are from the late 70s and 80s. I found a guy online named Scott Savage, and he's got a company called speechchips.com, and he's got a good YouTube channel called Scott Savage Techno Scavenger. And I can't believe that he actually makes SC-01 clones, which is called the SC-01-Z. So let's check this out. All right. Amazing. You can see that. SC-01-Z, and the red part is the tester board, and the bottom is like the Arduino, because I'm going to get a PC and hook this up so I can program it. Okay, USB power, it's red, and audio, let's go in here, get the self-test going. Amazing. Can't wait to get the programming on this. Thank goodness this exists. Awesome.